Andong Market is located in the Chinatown, which is one of the 5 oldest and famous markets in Saigon. Andong Market is the most popular for wholesale fashion items such as clothes, shoes, bags, to the pretty small hairpin. This is the famous wholesale market at the southern part of Vietnam for the garment sector. Owners of fashion shops in the southern provinces will come here to choose designs, place wholesale orders, and retail to customers in their hometown. There are 3 floors and a basement in this market. In the upper area, there are most of clothing and shoes vendors, while the basement is the food court and commodities to provide food for guests and sellers. The sellers here can communicate in Chinese, so Chinese tourists are usually looking for some products as gifts, such as coffee, nuts, especially cashew nuts, or Vietnamese cakes. The situation of the COVID-19 pandemic had affected the global economy. Also, this Andong market couldn't avoid to be empty customers. Some shops remained closed until the end of May. However, others had close clients to be continue order items, so they might remain selling. If you come to Saigon, you can come here to buy some souvenirs with an affordable price. Hopefully, COVID-19 will pass by soon. Tourism and flight can be connected to serve travelers, and Saigon is ready to welcome every visitor.